What are hippopotamuses? Hippopotamuses are huge animals. They are also called hippos. Hippos in water. Hippos live in lakes and rivers. Water keeps their bodies cool. A reddish liquid protects their skin from the hot sun. Hippos are too heavy to float. Webbed feet help them move in water. Grazing. Hippos come out of the water late in the day. They graze on grasses. Pods. Hippos live in groups called pods. Most pods have 10 to 30 hippos. A male hippo leads a pod. It fights other males for females and territory. Fighting. Hippos open their mouths wide when they fight. They show their large teeth. Then hippos swing their heads and bellow loudly. Charge! Glossary. Bellow, to make a deep roar. Graze, to feed on grasses. Liquid, something that flows like water. Pods, groups of hippopotamuses that live together. Territory, the area where an animal or group of animals lives. Webbed feet, feet with thin skin connecting the toes.